Are you a coach looking to grow your online business? Join my 2-hour workshop to master the art of creating an irresistible lead magnet. A lead magnet is a valuable piece of content offered for free in exchange for your audience contact information. It's the key to building a strong email list and nurturing potential clients. Why is this important? An effective lead magnet attracts your ideal clients, builds trust and credibility, grows your email list rapidly, and sets the foundation for successful marketing campaign. By having a strong lead magnet, you ensure that you're always in touch with your audience, providing them value and turning them into loyal clients. In this workshop, you will learn how to structure lead magnet for maximum impact, create valuable content that speaks directly to your audience needs, publish and promote your lead magnet to reach a wider audience. By attending this workshop, you will walk away with a ready-to-use lead magnet and a clear strategy to implement it in your business. Don't miss out this opportunity to elevate your coaching business. Click the link below to register now. See you at the workshop. Together, we will take your coaching business to new heights.